I had a really fun night tonight. I'll talk to you later, okay? Okay, sounds good. It's great. You go on that date, you seem to connect with each other, and you really want to see this guy again. Now, over the next 48 hours, you can do one of two things, and which road you go down really decides your fate of the relationship. Let's look at scenario number 1. Overtexting a guy is one of the easiest ways to guarantee he doesn't text you back. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 different types of texts that you can send a guy that are going to really take you down a different path where the guy really ends up missing you and wanting you more. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam Little from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you find love and do it with sexy confidence. And this video is all about making a guy miss you. So the key to making anyone miss you is to create space in the relationship. If there's no space there, then there's no room for him to miss you. And that might sound obvious, but far too many women try to make a man miss them while also filling that space. So the key to all of this working is to not play games or be manipulative. It is for you to truly have your own independent life that you are excited about, where you have passion, where it interests you, have your own social group, and it's not completely dependent on some guy. So assuming you have that taken care of, here are 3 texts that you can use that will make him miss you. The first text is what I call the "I'm doing something really fun and thinking about you" text. Like I said, the key to building sexy confidence and attracting great men is all about having that independent life that is just magnetically attractive. And when you happen to be doing said cool with other people in your life, you're going to be naturally thinking about the guy that you're dating. And if you happen to come across something that reminds you of him, it's perfectly okay to tell him you're doing something really cool and also thinking about him. Here are a few examples.
I'm playing the most fun board game and thought of you. I'm at the coolest restaurant that I know you would love.
Both these texts convey a couple things. Number 1 is that you're actually doing interesting things, and that's going to be attractive because a lot of questions are going to come up in his mind is, who are you with? What are you doing? I wish I were there. That makes him miss you. And the second part is going to make him happy that, of course, you're thinking about him. The second text that will make a guy miss you is what I call the mysterious bait text. Here are a few examples of mysterious bait texts.
If only you were here. Guess where I am?
Now notice in both of these texts, you're not actually texting him much of anything or that you're doing anything, except that you're doing something a little bit mysterious. And it's going to get his attention, wonder what it is you're doing and how it is he can be a part of it. And then the final text that is guaranteed to make him miss you is the sexual tension text. Now, I warn you, you should not use these texts unless you have already slept with a guy. And you really, if you're following the principles that I teach, you really don't want to be jumping to bed with a guy until there is clear relationship potential. But let's say you are sleeping with a guy and you want to start building a little bit more sexual tension, send him one of these texts.
I can't stop thinking about how sexy you were the other night. I'm doing something naughty right now.
So there you have it. There are 3 different types of texts that you can send a guy to make him miss you. Go ahead and send one of these texts right now and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And also, if you want to learn how to make a man miss you and commit to you and only you, I have a free training that is all about commitment. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or I'll leave a link in my bio. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at sexyconfidence. Give this video a like, give this video a heart. And finally, don't forget to head on over to sexyconfidence.com because I have a ton of resources that will help you find love and do it with sexy confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you, you sexy single lady, next week. Bye-bye.